Hola, buenos días. Hoy es día 10 of 100 days of Spanish. And hoy I want to tell you how to say and you. And I want to tell you a few words for different tapas, which are bar snacks. So let's start. The word for and is E. It's written with the letter Y. So Y is like that, right? Or like, oh, I don't know, like that for the camera, I think. So E means and tú is you. So y tú is and you. It's so easy. I want, quiero. Think of a key and an arrow. Quiero una bebida, un té con leche. ¿Y tú? Quiero un zumo de naranja. Un zumo is a juice, or in America Latina, un jugo. All right? Quiero un zumo. Quiero un jugo en America Latina. ¿Y tú? Sí, quiero un zumo de naranja, an orange juice. ¿Y tú? And you? So you can keep throwing it back with ¿y tú? It's really useful. A little word about tú. Tú is the informal way of calling somebody you. So it's entre amigos. It's when you're on first name terms, or when you're talking to a little niño. All right, and then it's tú. If you're talking to un policía, if you're talking to a waiter, if you're talking to anybody who you're not going to get on first name terms with, use usted. All right, but we're not using y usted today, we're using y tú. The word for food is comida, and that's a nice word, comida. Comestible was something that could be eaten, I think, archaic English. And comida, comida, you could use that as a call to the dinner table, comida. Quiero comida. ¿Y tú? Well, when you go to España, you can have una bebida and some comida. So they're much more keen on bar snacks, much more advanced bar snacks. And they're called tapas. La historia de tapas is that it started, it's just a nonsense story, with a round of bread to cover or top or tapar. To cover is tapar, to top, to tapar your bebida. Because, of course, in España, there are more little flies, which are mosquitos, and big flies, which are moscas. Of course, a mosca is a big fly and a mosquito is a little fly. So you don't want them in your bebida. So you want a tapa to your bebida. So a nice round of bread over your bebida will stop la moscas getting into your bebida. So that is la historia de tapas. Different types of tapas that you might want. You might want una ración de olivas, a portion of olives. Una ración de patatas fritas, which is chips or crisps. It could be crisps, but let's think it's chips. Patatas fritas, or patatas bravas, which are the roast potatoes which come with alioli, the lovely garlic sauce. Yo soy vegetariana. Vegetariana is vegetarian. No quiero carne. Carne is meat. No quiero carne. But some people do, and of course España is famoso por su jamón. Jamón is ham, so you might want a portion of ham. Quiero una ración de jamón. ¿Y tú? No quiero jamón, soy vegetariana. And what else did I want to talk about? Oh, how about tortilla de patatas? Tortilla de patatas is a lovely omelette made with little chunks of potato in it. It's delicioso. Quiero tortilla de patatas. ¿Y tú? So why not today make una lista of the tapas that I've mentioned. You can use the notes on Facebook, or you can use the notes on my website, which is Spanglish Fantastico, WordPress or whatever. Spanglish Fantastico, and you should find it. So make una lista of the tapas, la comida, and you can put quiero jamón. ¿Y tú? Quiero patatas fritas. ¿Y tú? Maybe you could record yourself saying it. Es una buena idea. Make a little video diary of yourself. You don't have to share it if you're shy, but you could if you wanted to. And then come mañana. Mañana I'm going to talk about una especialidad, a speciality, una especialidad de Valencia, which is just south of Barcelona, where they have a lovely drink and a sweet snack called horchata y fartones. And I'm going to hablar about that mañana, so come back mañana. Quiero hablar más español. ¿Y tú? Adiós, hasta mañana. Adiós.